Hello guys. So in our previous video we have seen for Angular 2 setup what are the dependency. We have checked like we require the Node.js, we require the npm, we require the CLI. Then we have checked using this link how to download the Node.js, and mm, we have seen like when we have downloaded and installed the Node.js, Node package manager was automatically installed. So after that we have seen like there are few commands to check what is the current version of Node.js and npm CLI installed on your machine. So for Node.js we can use node hyphen v. For npm we can check npm hyphen v. For the latest sorry, for the current CLI version installed on your machine you can check using ng hyphen hyphen version. You can use a command prompt to do these operation. And after that we have seen how to check all available npm version. Using this command it will list out all available npm version. The command is npm view npm version. And now at the last, how to upgrade the current version installed on your machine to the latest one. So for npm we can use npm install hyphen g npm at the rate latest. For the CLI to upgrade it to latest one we can use npm install hyphen g at the rate angular slash CLI at the rate latest. So guys, these are the command which will very helpful to know the current version installed, and also to upgrade the current version to the latest one. Now guys, let's move to the second part where we will understand the role of Node.js, npm and CLI required for Angular development. So guys, why we require Node.js, or I can say, is Node.js required for Angular development? So guys, the answer is no. It is not required to use Node.js for development Angular application. We can use any other language like C sharp. For the backend thing, using any other language, we can do the that will do our task for the backend thing. So guys, what actually Node does in Angular development? So it basically provides you an hosting environment to host your application locally on your system. So that is its main role. And we don't use Node and npm as a production server. These are just used as a tool for building the Angular application. So guys, let's move to the second point, npm. So what's the role of npm? So guys, npm allows you to manage your project dependency. Like in any other project of like C sharp, Java, you have certain libraries that is the dependency for your application, and there you manage those dependency basically manually. So here npm allows you to automate the managing process of your library automatically. So here we don't have to worry to add, remove or update any dependency, and same to update them in package.json. In package.json we have all the dependency listed there. So whenever we remove add any dependency, it will automatically get updated in package.json. So guys, the next point is what's the role of Angular CLI. So guys, this is the Angular command line interface that is used for creating Angular application. It helps you to install and configure all the required dependency library that is required for your Angular application. It also helps you to create the component services, directives and many other components. And like the main use, you can say it can helps you to serve your application. And and the other use could be the to build and to test your application. So guys, the next point is regarding the TypeScript. Like Angular recommend the use of TypeScript. So it is a similar language. Like if you are a C sharp a developer, you will familiar with this TypeScript. These are basically developed for those who have not having the good hands-on on JavaScript. So like we know that browser understand the JavaScript and does not understand the TypeScript. So on runtime, I mean Angular uh, compiled, I mean Java, sorry, the TypeScript to a JavaScript so that your browser can understand your command. And guys, there is one more use of Angular CLI where it helps you to bundle your dependencies like JavaScript and StyleScript into a single file, and it does these tasks uh, automatically, and you don't have to worry about these tasks. And by default, I mean CLI uses Webpack to bundle all your dependencies required for the Angular application. So guys, this is it. So we have learned how to set up Angular 2 and onwards version. We learned why we need Node.js, npm and CLI for the development of your Angular application. Thanks a lot.